As we all know, iPhones are known for their durability and reliability. However, sometimes they encounter issues like the dreaded black screen of death. But don't worry. In this video, we've got you covered with 5 effective solutions to fix the iPhone black screen problem. When this happens, the first thing to try is to charge your iPhone. Charge for about 30 minutes and check if your phone is back to normal. Next, check the apps being used. If a particular app is causing the black screen, try exiting the app. Then update it from the App Store or reinstall it. Third, force restart your phone, which will solve most of the problems. For iPhones without a home button, press the volume up and volume down buttons respectively, then long press the side button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 series, long press the side button and the volume down button at the same time. For the iPhone 6 series and earlier, simultaneously long press the side button and the home button until the Apple logo appears. If none of the above methods solve your problem, we can turn to trusted third-party tools. iPhixer is the easiest tool to operate. First, install iPhixer on your PC. Launch it and select the standard mode. Connect your iPhone to the PC using a USB cable. Now you need to put the device in recovery mode. It's easy. Here's how to do it for various models of iPhone. Simply click Download and iPhixer will download the firmware to fix your phone for you. Then click Start and after a short while your iPhone will restart and work properly. Finally, if none of the options work for you, you can take your device to the Apple Store for repair. We hope these solutions helped you resolve the iPhone black screen issue.